It is 11:16 on this Friday night. Jason and Michael in tonight. Got a sneak peek at your forecast. Looks pretty good.
I know you did. I was watching you there, Russ. Hey, it is the weekend after all, and everybody wants to know, can I go out on the boat? Maybe even I can go to the golf course for this weekend. Chances are you can do both of them. I think you'll likely want to sway more towards Saturday rather than Sunday, okay? And it's because we have another cold front on the way. However, high pressure is still in control as of now. By this time tomorrow, we start to change things up a bit. So we'll dive right in and get right to the forecast for the weekend. Sun, few high clouds expected for tomorrow. Notice temperatures flirting with 90 degrees for afternoon highs. I think if you're going to the Guardians game tomorrow, we'll still be likely in the upper 80s to mid 80s along the lakeshore. Thunderstorms developing on Sunday. Mid to upper 80s expected there. However, the feels like temperature will certainly be in the 90s with the added humidity. So let's roll the clock forward here in your National Design-More hour-by-hour forecast. We take things very easily overnight tonight, especially for the stargazers out there. Temperatures will slip into the low 60s overnight tonight. We'll have mostly sunny skies for tomorrow with some high clouds moving back in. Then they'll start to lower, okay? We'll add a little bit more moisture to the atmosphere. We'll billow in a little bit more clouds towards the evening hours. Around 9 p.m., temperature's still fairly good out there in the mid to upper 70s, so it's going to be a nice and pleasant evening. Early on Sunday morning, we start to get some pops in the atmosphere, just some light showers moving on through. I think Sunday morning services will go off without a hitch there, and we'll see a little bit more populated activity come in late morning heading into early afternoon on Sunday. That's when the front really starts to orient itself. You can see there northwest stretching, northeast stretching all the way back towards the southwest. We'll have a little bit more convection to work with here as far as our severe weather risk for Sunday is still on the medium, the mild side here. We'll see if that has a little bit of an uptick into the moderate risk for us on Sunday evening. But so far, it seems as well, once we get that gusty wind coming through and some of the heavier bouts of rain showers there, we'll kind of cut things back and cool things down a little bit as well. Sunday evening, we start to taper things off. Skies will begin to clear, and we'll have more clearing happen as we open up the doors for Monday morning as you're starting to go back to work. Rainfall accumulations, this is now taking us through late Sunday evening. For the next 48 hours, anywhere from, let's say, maybe 1/4 of an inch up to 3/10 of an inch. You can see there 3/4 of an inch. You can see in downtown Cleveland. Some areas will be on the lighter side, some will be in the heavier side. Of course, that'll indicate some of the heavier downpours. Muggy meter. This is what it looks like for the weekend. Certainly getting an uptick there on Sunday. Then we cut it back. You can see behind the cold front on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even to Thursday. As far as the air mass over us, things will not be too terrible. Yes, tomorrow will be in the 90s and then likely hang around the 90s on Sunday, but we'll cool things down significantly for the first half of the week and then try to warm things up back for the end of the week heading in towards 4th of July weekend. Overnight temperatures tonight in the mid to upper 50s, low 60s along the lakeshore. Could be having a little bit of a lakeshore breeze for tomorrow. You can see Chardon coming in the upper 80s there. Ashtabula near 90 degrees. 89 for Ashland, pair of 8s there for Mansfield, and 90 in Millersburg. So when we look at it in terms of our temperatures and also precipitations for the days ahead, this is now taking us into early July. We're forecasting below average to near average conditions as far as precipitation goes. That is not a huge factor unless you start looking at the above average temperatures. This is from the Climate Prediction Center showing above average temperatures, warmer temperatures, less precipitation. We have a little bit of a drought concern there, and we'll keep a close eye on that. As far as the precipitation, Sunday heading into early Monday, I think more in terms of Sunday rather than Monday is going to be our best bet for moisture. So if you have to pull some of those weeds out of the gardens, go ahead and do that for tomorrow, because once the rain hit on Sunday, all that sunshine next week, yeah, we're going to be warming things up in a big way. Here's your Union Home Mortgage 10-day, okay? Take a look at this. We have scattered storms again developing on Sunday. Things look absolutely amazing Monday, Tuesday. Look at this. Wednesday, Thursday, rust going from the mid-70s into the upper 80s. 90 again next Friday. But I think by the time we get to 4th of July weekend, it won't be terrible. That Sunday looks pretty good, and that Monday still looks good as well.
It won't be terrible. We like that.
Yes,
thanks, Jason.